Taoist Wisdom for Beginners, a meditation guide of Taoist quotes, inspiring Taoist quotes for living a balanced and fulfilling life. Taoism is a philosophical and spiritual tradition that originated in ancient China. It emphasizes living in harmony with the Tao, which can be loosely translated as the way, or the path. Taoist wisdom can be a valuable guide for beginners seeking to practice meditation and lead a more balanced and fulfilling life. Wu Wei is the principle of effortless action. Taoism encourages mindfulness and being fully present. Practice meditation with the idea of going with the flow and not forcing things. Lao Tzu, the founder of Taoism, described it as the source of all things. Taoism encourages simplicity and harmony with nature. Here are some quotes to meditate on. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles must begin with a single step. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. When there is no desire, all things are at peace. In the world, there is nothing more submissive and weak than water. Yet, for attacking that which is hard and strong, nothing can surpass it. The Tao that can be told is not the eternal Tao. The name that can be named is not the eternal name. Simplicity, patience, compassion. These three are your greatest treasures. To the mind that is still, the whole universe surrenders. Knowing others is wisdom. Knowing yourself is enlightenment. The Tao is like water. Water gives life to the 10,000th things, and does not strive. Yield and overcome, bend, and be straight. The softest things in the world overcome the hardest things in the world. When you are content to be simply yourself, and don't compare or compete, everybody will respect you. Be content with what you have, rejoice in the way things are. When you realize there is nothing lacking, the whole world belongs to you. The wise man does not lay up his own treasures. The more he gives to others, the more he has for his own. Empty your mind of all thoughts. Let your heart be at peace. The key to growth is the introduction of high dimensions of consciousness into our awareness. The Tao is like a well, used, but never used up. It is like the eternal void, filled with infinite possibilities. He who knows does not speak. He who speaks does not know. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. When I let go of what I am, I become what I might be.